Almond oil, rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, can strengthen and prevent split ends in hair, promoting healthy growth. It is a promising hair care solution. Almond oil enhances hair appearance and health by providing shine, smoothing cells, repairing damage, and adding moisture and elasticity due to its rich fatty acid content. Almond oil, an emollient, fills hair gaps, resulting in smoother texture and softer hair. It makes combing and styling easier, making it a great addition to hair care routines. Almond oil, rich in oleic and linoleic acids, improves hair resilience, reduces styling friction, treats split ends, and repairs damage, enhancing hair strength. Almond oil has been used in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to treat flaky scalp and scalp psoriasis, increasing blood flow and introducing antioxidants to the scalp. Almond oil can help treat dry scalp conditions by promoting blood flow, introducing antioxidants, and removing dead skin cells, reducing inflammation and infections caused by external sources. Almond oil, a natural hair growth enhancer, addresses dry, irritated scalp conditions and promotes healthier hair growth. Its chemical-free nature and vitamin E content help fight environmental stress and aid in follicle regrowth and keratin production.